Welcome to Jackson's Cove, a picturesque coastal retreat nestled in the heart of Newfoundland and Labrador. As our drone takes flight, let's embark on a journey to explore the beauty and charm of this coastal gem. Situated just off Route 391 between Kings Point and Harry's Harbor, Jackson's Cove is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. With its charming white wooden church and bustling government wharf, there's no shortage of sights to see in this quaint town.